Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any gardening enthusiast, the STARTOSTAR 30-pack metal plant labels. These weatherproof garden markers are designed to elevate your gardening game with durability and style. Today, we're exploring what makes the STARTOSTAR metal plant labels the best weatherproof plant markers available on the market. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these labels are designed to withstand the elements while keeping your garden organized and vibrant. First off, let's talk durability. Made from galvanized iron, these labels are not only waterproof but also rust-proof and sturdy. The zinc coating ensures they won't corrode, maintaining their pristine appearance throughout the seasons. Standing at 10.6 inches tall, with a label area of 3.5 inches by 1.2 inches, these markers are not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The slightly sloping angle makes them easy to read, whether you're standing or kneeling in your garden. What sets these markers apart is their reusability. You can easily mark them with an oil-based pen or print labels using a P-Touch or LaserJet printer, making them perfect for labeling vegetables, herbs, flowers, and more in your greenhouse or garden beds. In conclusion, if you're looking for plant labels that combine durability, weather resistance, and practicality, the STARTOSTAR metal plant labels are your go-to choice. Click the link in the description below to get your own STARTOSTAR metal plant labels today and take your gardening to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and gardening tips from Product Critique.